You may want to browse through your liked videos on TikTok, but for some reason it is not showing up on the list. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix liked videos on TikTok not showing up. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just head on and open up our TikTok app right over here. So basically, to access your liked videos list, you can go to our profile by clicking on this profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, you can see this little heart icon right here with these 4 tabs. So just click on this little heart icon like that, and you should be able to see a list of your liked videos on here. Now, if you have recently liked videos and it is not showing up on here, the first thing that we can do is to restart the app. So to do that, we can press and hold on the lower part of our screen and slowly swipe up like this one, and it should show up like this. So we can just swipe up through the TikTok app and restart it and just open it up again. So if restarting the app is not working, we can go to our app store right over here and check if our TikTok app is up to date. So to do that, just open up the TikTok app page from here and focusing on this button. If it says open, that means that our TikTok is currently up to date. And however, if it shows an update button, that means that your TikTok is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button to have the latest features and bug fixes within the app. So you may also want to go to your Safari and let's search if TikTok is down. So you can just search for TikTok down detector and tap on the first result that shows up and read through the information and see if it is currently down, and that might be causing this problem. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.